guys. Not really good morning because it is 2 p.m. right now. I just woke up, because I didn't go to school today because we have these things called science intensives, and the thing is, you don't have to go to school. Pretty much all we're doing is going outside, and I don't know. My rotation that I have today is just like sledding, so it's like, So I just missed, got some sleep that I really, really needed. So, supposedly, whenever I woke up this morning, my mom said that there was a buttload of snow outside for me to shovel. She said that was about 4 inches last night. Oh yeah, there's more snow. It's all dry snow, so can't even make snowballs. Might just have to get a snowblower out and just blast them with snow. That'd be so funny. Yeah, it snowed. Yeah, it definitely, 4 inches of snow. It's been snowing like every single weekend lately, like either the weekend or towards the beginning of the week. It's been snowing so much. That's pretty awesome. I hope it snows that much on Christmas. I mean, we already have a white Christmas because we're in Alaska. It's guaranteed. So, yeah. I think I might get in the shower. Okay, so it's 3:31 right now, and that means I'd probably be home from the bus by now. What was that? I don't know, I just heard probably the dog. And I'd normally be getting off the bus by now, so yeah. I'm eating some Popeye's chicken. It's incredibly hot. I touched it, and I touched around the grease part, which wasn't too smart. Hey, that's a rhyme. Look at me, I'm M&M. And the grease was like, I measured the temperature, it was 230 degree grease. And then this is probably like 120 or so, 140. Biscuit, chicken. Big piece of chicken. So I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to drink some milk, because I always drink milk. And pretty soon pistachios, I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to go shovel the snow at like 4-ish. I don't know. I'll take a shower after I shovel. There we go. Yeah. Oh, Zeus, were you stuck in here? Holy crap, dude, I'm sorry. Okay, there's a light switch right there to turn this light on. And there's a light switch right there. Seriously, what is the point in that? God, I complain too much. Oh, my foot is so cold. It's so cold, my foot. You guys are all wet. Camera. Ugh. I'm tired. Yeah. I want to go to sleep. Yeah. Oh, my hands are tingling. Everything's tingling. No homo. Okay. 4:52, so I've been shoveling for about a half an hour. And the temperature is currently, it's probably about 10 degrees in my front yard. It wasn't cold at first because, like, whenever you're out there, for me, because I'm, like, Alaskan. Like, you know, if you're from Texas, you get what I mean. You know how you get the first breeze of autumn, like it's like 78 degrees out and it feels awesome and it's like dry and crisp out. Here it's like 10 and it feels like that, and it's like humid kind of, and it's and it's like or whenever there's a storm coming, right before the storm is getting here, like a really bad storm, you'll feel it in the air too in Texas, and that's what it feels like here. Unless then the wind started blowing, and I got the -5 wind chill to my face with snow, powdery snow all over my face. Ah, lovely. Yeah. Hang on, I have a message on Facebook. Oh, does anybody want to see what I did with Final Cut Express? I made a picture out of Final Cut Express. Yes, sir, I did. Yeah, see that? Oh, guess what? Guess what? Oh, we lost most of our colors. Except for this. Okay, wow, FML. Turns out that the intensives, I don't mind them. Last year I didn't mind them, and this year I really don't mind it. Let me fill you guys in. Intensives are something that our school does every year right before Christmas break as a little, you can go to school, but it's a break kind of thing, and science, right? Intensives, focusing on science stuff, but it's mainly been like skiing and like outdoor stuff, like sledding and everything, and I don't really think it's science, but I don't mind. I mean, I really don't mind going. Today I missed because I was asleep, and it turns out it's an unexcused absence. That kind of sucks. Last year, it wasn't. It was excused if you missed last year. So, that kind of sucks. And it turns out, I mean, a lot of people hate it too. I'm looking, I probably have over 100 people from my school added. And I don't know how many are in 8th grade, because the 7th graders are new to this, so of course they're all going to like it. Here's one post from someone already. Today was gay. Let's see. Intensives are a waste of my time. Oh, there's one who likes intensives. Well, you're special. Not like special, but like, yeah, like, they're one out of a lot of people. Is it worth it? I assume, is it worth going to school? Okay, so who's not going to school for intensives and wants to chill? And 2 of my friends had a sleepover. Well, one of them's moving. Hang on. I might look at my most recent feed, because I'll be able to get it easier. Hang on. I am still debating whether I should go tomorrow or not, which tomorrow equals today. Let's see. Most recent. Okay. 10 minutes ago. Let's see. I can't find anything yet. I'm 22 minutes ago. I gotta get at least 3 hours ago. Hang on. Okay, so, yeah, apparently a lot of my friends miss school. Let's see. Let's go with, okay, I have people liking things 5 hours ago who live in Alaska. And guess what time that is? 12:49. Either they got out early, or, okay, here's one. This one's from my friend Shane, and I'm at Bose. Woo! 5 hours ago, 1:08 p.m. Screw you, phone! Okay. Let's see. Shut up! Today was gay. That was posted at 2:41. Let's see. Intensives are a waste of my time. Posted at 3:04. School was lame. I'm not going in tomorrow until 12:15. Posted at 3:11. I'm not going to school tomorrow. Posted at 3:11 from a different person. Let's see. School today was gay at. It's actually a really long one, but that's all I saw. At 3:25 from someone else. Let's see. That's pretty much all I could find, really. Yeah. I feel bad, too, because my teacher, like, busted his butt doing this. Like, seriously. He hasn't been able to teach our class for probably about a month. Like, actually teach it. So I feel bad, and I want to go because I don't really want it, like, even if it's bad or not, I still want to go because he worked his butt off on it. So he does it for the whole entire school. One teacher does it for the whole entire school of like 400, 500. So I guess I'll go. Yeah. Okay, so the part with me shoveling the snow. Yeah, if you didn't know, I shoveled snow because I'm telling you guys this, yet it's going to be up anyways. I'm just going to edit out the part of me shoveling the snow, and I'll post that as a separate video. You can see that right up there. Just click around this area, and you can see that, or link in the doobly-doo in my pants, in the sub bar below. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a lot of jump cuts on this video. My voice just kind of cracked a little bit. Hey, shut up. Ow, I just shocked myself. God, how many new messages do I have? 25 new messages? Bob Saget. Ay, people. Get out of here. It was like seriously, I could hear it through my skull candies. It was going bloop 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 That's seriously how it was. Hello, hello, hello. Ah! Yo, you can't sleep over Friday. Saturday, I don't know. My sisters are coming over. Sorry, dude. My sisters, they're coming back from college. I don't know. I'll have to talk it over. Oh, it stopped. It was going bleep, 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 bleep. Again, I'll be sure to catch it for you guys. I think I actually have a clip of it doing that. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys, and that is distracting me from taking a shower. So I really need to take a shower. So shut up and go away. Okay? Okay. Everything is red. Yep. Hey! Shut up! now. Taco Tuesday. Woo! Yeah, I'm a tard. Dinner was 2 hours ago. They made my taco for me. Which, that's the only time I wouldn't like my parents to make my food for me. I'm so lazy. Yeah, so I left them sitting there for 2 hours, had to reheat them, and now they're falling apart and they're soggy on the bottom. Lovely. Taco Tuesday. I'm such a loser, okay? Not because I have Taco Tuesday, but because I was like, hey Mom, Dad, how about we have Taco Tuesday? And guess what that's from? Charles Trippy. It's a good idea, though. I mean, I didn't just do it solely because of that. I did it because I like tacos. We don't have enough tacos at our house before then. Now we have a lot more, and our tacos are good. Such a loser. Such a loser. Oh well. Okay, guys, it is 2 seconds to 11:15 p.m. It's 11:15 p.m. And I'm gonna let you guys stop watching me right here. I've recorded another 15 minutes. Lovely. These are the things. I am making myself not want to vlog because of rendering 15 minutes. So I don't know what I'll do. Shut up, phone. I don't know what I'll do with the longer videos, the longer vlogs. I don't know if I'll upload them in 480p or just suck it up and upload them in HD. Because HD, if I have a 15-minute video, I restrict the data to 3,500 kilobits per second, and even whenever I upload a 15-minute HD video, it takes only about 2 hours to upload, which isn't bad when you think about it. 15 minutes, 720p HD, that's not bad at all. When I don't restrict it, it's like 2 or 3 gigabytes, and it'll take like a whole, like half a day to upload, so be happy. It's good quality and happiness. So, yeah, there's my coffee and Nesquik chocolate syrup put in it, and I'm gonna devour that up. And there's a freaking dog hair in it. Probably came from me petting him, and then, dang. This is why you don't pet dogs before you eat. And I have a message. Ha ha ha. Okay. Good night, guys.